Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to achieve a very clean low cut step by step. There are different levels of low cut, but in this tutorial, we are aiming for a very low finish that is clean, even, and professionally balanced. Let's get into it. I will start by attaching guard number 1 and closing the clipper lever completely. Start by cutting the hair backward. That is, cutting from front of the head towards the center of the head. Then continue from the back towards the center, making sure your strokes are smooth and consistent. Although you can achieve this haircut without a guard by using an open lever, but I prefer starting with the number 1 guard because it creates a more even foundation and gives me a better control over the final result. Take your time and make sure the entire head is cut evenly before moving to the next step. Now, use your hair brush to brush the entire hair thoroughly. Brush from the center of the head towards the front, then from the center towards the back and the sides. This helps reveal the natural direction of the hair growth, making it easier to achieve a smoother and more even cut. Never underestimate this step. Proper brushing is one of the secrets to a clean and professional low cut. Next, remove the number 1 guard and fully open the clipper lever. As you continue cutting, always follow the natural direction of the hair growth. Brush continuously while you walk and let the brush guide your cutting direction. Notice that I am cutting from the center of the head towards the front, then the sides, and finally the back. Avoid cutting from the front towards the back with no clipper guard attached, as this can create an uneven finish and leave visible patches. Working with a hair's natural grain produces a cleaner and more consistent result. Now, it is time to create the lineup. Using your trimmer, carefully define the front hairline without pushing the hairline backward. A natural hairline looks cleaner and lasts longer. Pay close attention to the corners because they determine how sharp your hairline will appear. Use the edges of your trimmer to carve the C-cup with precision. Think of lining up a hairline like drawing. You know, while drawing, you always make sure your hand is stable and your drawing lines are straight. So it's just the same thing as carving a hairline. The steadier your hand, the cleaner and sharper your result will be. Take your time and don't rush the process. Now, switch back to your clipper with no guard and the clipper lever fully open. Blend the beard smoothly into the low cut using light flicking motions. The goal is to create a seamless transition between the beard and the haircut without leaving any harsh lines. For a sharper finish, use a razor blade to refine the lineup. This enhances the edges and gives the haircut that sharp professional finish that clients love. A professional haircut doesn't just end with the haircut itself. For aftercare, I am applying hair shampoo and gently cleaning the scalp with a warm towel. This removes loose hair, refreshes the skin, and gives the client a more comfortable finish. Finally, apply aftershave to soothe the skin and help reduce irritation, razor bumps, and post-cut reactions. And here we have it, a very low, clean, and professionally finished low cut. Every step, from the initial cut and brushing to the lineup, beard blend, and aftercare, contributes to the final result. If you found this tutorial helpful or learned something new today, let me know in the comment section. Please like this video, share it with someone learning how to barb, and subscribe to my channel for more step-by-step barber tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.